brand new. You said, what'd you do? How many weeks ago you put this in? A week? 2 weeks? Yeah. Beautiful, man. See what Charles says? 2 tree. I like that. 2 tree weeks. 2 tree weeks. Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope all's well. Today is the 28th of September, 2023. I'm going to Greenwich, Connecticut to a no heat call. It just says no heat. I believe this system has gas-fired boiler with hydro units, air handlers. But let's check it out. I haven't been to this house in like 2 years. I just was reading the notes from the history. But hope all's well, and let's check it out. Wow. That guy wasn't home just now. I guess my office said we'll go back there later. But, so anyway, real quick, I was just thinking. I don't even know why I'm continuing this video, but real quick. Yesterday on the radio, first of all, yesterday was awesome outside. Blue sky, the whole nine, right? And yesterday on the radio, they said today, which was yesterday's, they said tomorrow. They said today was supposed to be an exact, I believe their words were carbon copy of yesterday. I don't know how to say it, but whatever, you know what I mean. But look at it outside, it's trash. It's raining, it's cloudy, it's cold. So I just figure that, and I know this sounds corny because everybody says the weather person or weather man doesn't know what they're talking about. I think they're right though. Like, how are you gonna get it that wrong where it's raining, cold, and yesterday it was like 70 and sunny? Like, I've heard of getting things slightly off, like instead of 8 inches of snow you get 4 or you get 12, but this is just like, it should be embarrassed. They should be embarrassed of themselves. Anyway, I'm going to another call right now. If you guys see this video, then something happened. Change out expansion tank on this boiler crown. I'm really talking there just now. I'm running to John Stone Supply in White Plains. This guy just put in a new boiler last week, 2 weeks ago, and for some reason didn't do his expansion tank. His relief valve's popping. He's got a new relief valve on it because it came with the boiler. He's an electrician. He puts in boilers, I guess, for himself. It is what it is. But I'm going to run to John Stone, grab an X-Trol 30 or Amstrol 30, and come back after lunch and pop in his expansion tank for him, and then start up his boiler, see how it's rocking.
We have our own version. We can be ourselves, but still contribute to our community and society.
All right, let's go inside. I'll show you this boiler and expansion tank. Charles, I'm back.
You made it?
Yes, how are you?
Good.
All right, we're going to drain this guy down.
You can drain it.
Yeah, no, I have a bucket. Right on there. Just bring it all the way down. You like that Klein wrench, huh?
No.
Yeah, buddy. Did that get you?
No, it didn't.
It's like chocolate milk. I was born in the USA. You know, Brendan taught me that.
What?
Go ahead.
Weak link. No, you got
I
it.
got one hand. Crack it. Tighten it. You said you closed over here?
Yeah.
And there's your auto feed pressure reducer will feed up to your 12 to 18 psi. Chris, here. And you're working with this over here. Yep. All right, let's bleed the lines. So we're gonna bleed first floor and third floor is all he has hooked up. This one, I don't know what he did here. Cut this out. That you need?
Oil too.
Oh, look at this. That's my hose. My hose. You remember that shit?
Yeah.
What's that from? Trailer Park Boys, son?
Yeah, it's Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah.
But,
Bubbles knows who he is.
but me and you, what are you calling?
Well, we were at Sonic that time, right? Or no, Ryan heard me yelling that shit through the return. I'm up on a roof yelling, "Hey, kitty, kitty." So here's Chris's new truck. Tell me he's not going to get pulled over every step of the way. He tinted the effing windshield. I mean, come on, guy. Chris is cray-cray. PSI? Teflon. You took the other stuff to the truck?
Yeah.
Apparently.
I'm actually gonna throw it in your truck.
Oh, you really did take it in your truck. Thank you. I thought Chris was messing with me.
I'm stealing your bucket though.
All right, you could steal it. Three of them. Tree. Get tree over there. Over there, over there. Three of them. Bring the thermostat on the main level up a couple more degrees right now. I want it to run while we're here.
Yeah, I got it on like 75.
Oh, you do? Okay. I knew you had it on. I didn't know you had it calling for heavy. Well, yeah, it's running nice. We're at 140.
Yeah. Use some wet oil.
Oh, it's brand new. You said, what'd you do? How many weeks ago you put this in? A week? 2 weeks? Yeah. Beautiful, man.
Pretty weeks.
3 weeks. 3 weeks? Yeah. Beautiful, man. 3 weeks. 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 See what Charles says? 2 tree. I like that. 2 tree weeks. 2 tree weeks.
I don't know how long, right?
Yeah.
Straight, how am I going to do this? I had to have it.
Yep.
And the feed was right
You
here.
were low. You had to get the low
other
boy.
boiler, the feed was here.
I know. So what'd you do to bring it up?
I took that one zone off and moved it.
Over.
Moved this, because this was out to here.
Yep.
Moved it over and just extended this.
That's all.
And the other side you tie into the bottom. That's it.
Yeah, you did a good job, man. To be honest with you. Honestly, I commend you.
The flue broke my balls a little bit.
I could see. So you have a low boy boiler. Would you come up 15
This
inches?
thing over here.
Yeah.
Then I read that
15 and
said
18.
make it 18.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Took about 2-3 hours for that job over there. But no, I'm just kidding. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Have a great day. Now the sun's coming out. It's 2:30. All right? There's going to be a carbon copy of yesterday, he said. Take it easy. Thank you.